The glue is dry, so let's get this thing sanded and finished. I used to think this was a bunch of nonsense until I tried it. The finish is on, there are like 4 coats of it, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this brown paper and crumple it into a ball and buff out this whole thing. All right. That is it. This thing will be for sale on my website. First come, first serve. There's only one of them. The price point, in case you're curious, you don't have to click the link to check. It's going to be $125. But if you're buying this for your mom, it'll be $100. And the only way I know how to do that is a promo code that will be MOM. And this is just strictly honor code. So if you buy this without promo code MOM, respect to you for the honesty.